This is a quick tutorial on Crowdstake. Crowdstake is a way for entrepreneurs to launch their businesses. It helps you build waitlists and accept pre-orders and paid reservations through landing pages built with AI. To start, you hop into our AI chat, where we'll ask you a few questions about your business. You can share and upload any information you have about your idea or your project, any files, any existing documents, or just copy stuff from your AI chats if you've already been chatting with ChatGPT about your idea. So we can just paste it all in here. I will hop over to this folder I have and grab the photos and this small document describing the business. So this is a board game concept, which I am going to crowdfund for, and I'm going to be setting up a paid waitlist funnel where I can collect emails and paid reservations before I launch my crowdfunding campaign on Kickstarter. So we'll upload these. It'll just take a second for the AI to analyze them, and then we'll jump back and look at the results. So now that it understands more about our project, it's going to ask us to set our conversion strategy. So as I said before, we're going to be doing a two-step flow where we're going to capture the user's email address and then try to convert them to make a paid reservation or a pre-order. So we're going to go with option B in this case. So I'll just say option B, and we're going to do the quick approach for generating our color palettes. So now it has all the information it needs, and we're going to be moving on to actually creating the page. All right, great. It looks like our color palettes are just about done generating. So let's take a look. Some really nice options here. I'm going to choose a few. I'm going to pick the first three here. Verdant Canopy, Crystal Stream, and Sunset Prairie I think will match the aesthetic very nicely. So we'll go ahead and approve those and add them to our project. Okay, awesome. So actually I'm going to go ahead and generate 3 pages all at once, one for each color palette, just to see some different options. So let's go ahead and start generating. This will just take a few minutes, and then we will be able to go and edit the page as we like and publish the page live so you can immediately share it with people. Amazing. So our landing page is done generating, and I think it did a great job on its first attempt. Here you can see our landing page preview in this artifact. You can resize it to see what it would look like on mobile or bigger screen sizes. Let's scroll down and put our pictures in nicely. I really like the colors and these little icons it added. This is a great first attempt. Let's take a look at the email input and see the second step reservation flow. So after you put in your email, you can see the second page here where it's prompting us to reserve for $45, and we can go ahead and do that. Great, so now you have this amazing landing page. What are the next steps? So you can either tweak the page and make edits to it here in the chat. You can ask it to change the styling or update the text or add more images. It's completely up to you. But if you want to share the page, you can share it. It's already live. You can come and click view page. You can click this button to copy the link and share that with people. You can view the live page here. So it's ready for you to either run ads to or put it in the links of the content you're making, so you can start capturing emails for your crowdfunding project as well as paid pre-orders or reservations. Let's also take a quick look at some of the other pages that were generated, other versions that we did based on the other color palettes. So we have this blue one, which is also really cool. Definitely a very different vibe than before. I still like it, but I do actually like the blue one a little more. And we also have this one. This one's interesting, a bit more earthy. I do like all 3 initial first versions, but I think the green in this one is my personal favorite. So the purpose of having multiple pages is so that you can A/B test different things like your messaging, your pricing, your audience, or your branding. But it's all connected to the same backend system. So for example, I'll put an email in here as if I was a user, and I will click Get Founder Access, and so it thanks me for joining, and then it's prompting me to lock in this early pricing. Same thing will happen over here on this Sunset Prairie one that we also did, and I'll scroll down to the email input, and I'll put in another email here, and it will ask me the same thing. Now, both of these will show up on our back end, and I'll show you that in just a second. So after you've launched your project and you've shared it with some people, collected a few emails, you can take a look at the dashboard, which will show you how many people have viewed your page, how many email subscribers you have, as well as how many paid reservations you have received. Down here are the 3 pages that we created, which are currently named by their color palette, and you can just click these and it will take you back to the page editor. These tabs down here allow you to navigate different tables, for example, and probably most importantly is your subscribers table, where you'll see all the emails that you've collected and you can easily export them and feed them into your email marketing software. And that wraps up our quick tour of the Crowdstake platform. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you would like to create a pre-launch page, you can sign up and get started with a 7-day free trial today. It's a great way to launch your business, to go from idea to getting your first customers, and it's also a really great way to build your first website. So thank you all for watching, and goodbye.